Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Stardoge token. Name of the token is Stardoge, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this token is getting a big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, November 24th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Stardoge token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed tomorrow, November 24th at exactly 12 p.m. UTC time. This token will be open for trading on Gate or Gate.io. So you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on your PC at Gate.io. Then you would go into the trade section and you would search Stardoge anytime after 12 p.m. UTC time, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, they do have a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, which is at Starnet_star. So that is the official Stardoge Twitter. Now, also, I just did a video on the World of Dipians token. I'm going to be posting that probably tomorrow morning, and that's another big project for Gate. So stay tuned for that video coming up as well. But yeah, this token here, they have a new initial offering. It says claim your share of 50,000 Stardoge, hold $10 spot assets, and claim free airdrops. And that's going on today, November 23rd, all the way until 8 a.m. UTC time tomorrow, November 24th. And you can find the info for that on Gate's Twitter at Gate.io_startup. If you want to follow the community for Stardoge, you can go to at Starnet_official community on Telegram, and that is the community chat Telegram for Stardoge. It says Starnet community, 37,892 Telegram members. So very popular project. 1,082 of them are online. If you scroll through the tweets on the Twitter, that's right here, at Starnet_star, you'll see right at the top, they have the Telegram I was talking about, but also if you scroll through some of their most recent tweets, you're going to find a Discord group for Starnet, also Stardoge, where you can discuss the token with other people on the Discord as well. So there's the Telegram, there's the Discord, there's the Twitter. This Twitter here has a blue verified checkmark, 60 posts, 49,300 Twitter followers. So it says, Starnet gives back to its users by allowing them to interact and socialize in the virtual world through its Game Quest platform. So in their pinned tweet, it says Starnet, and then brackets Stardoge, because it's the same project, will be launched soon on Gate. Then it has a link to the Gate startup announcement, has the listing time, and then they have a little contest here. It says like, forward, comment, and leave your Binance Smart Chain wallet address. which this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It says draw 100 lucky users. Reward would be Stardoge tokens worth 100 USDT. So that's a decent amount of tokens there. So you could check out that contest going on the Twitter there. So it says Starnet Stardoge is a BSC chain game publishing and launching platform. It's a brand new product of GameFi plus meme coin. So they have here, it says, by the end of this week, we've already achieved some impressive milestones. And they have a list of their milestones here, which is, it says, next week, we've got something even bigger lined up. Any guesses on what it could be? Launching maybe our gaming task platform, enabling token withdrawals. Stay tuned. So it says they have here the weekly recap, and I guess they do this every week. But they have 130,000 weekly active users in over 170 countries, 70 plus users, and 2,000 plus natural daily user growth. So Starnet is a multi-chain gaming task platform. Our unstoppable community is thrilled to celebrate this week's achievements and updates. You are at the forefront of our game-changing revolution. So the metrics update, it says 130,000 weekly active users, 70,000 daily active users, currently seeing 2,000 plus daily organic growth. Top countries are Nigeria, India, Indonesia, Vietnam, Iran, Bangladesh, Brazil, Turkey, Philippines, and more. Some of the new features on Starnet is, number one is user profiles. So located in the top left corner of the main screen, the user profile feature allows you to view and track your daily data and statistics. Number two, it says daily rewards. In the daily rewards section, you can now claim rewards multiple times per day, with each reward calculated based on the time of your last claim. Promotion, we've enhanced the promotion system, increasing rewards by 1.5 times, so genuine users can earn more resources by sharing. New languages, our global community can now enjoy support in English, traditional Chinese, and Japanese. It says get ready for unparalleled excitement next week. What we've got in store will blow your mind. So, yeah, they have all sorts of cool updates like this on their Twitter, along with their new big Gate Central Exchange listing. And yeah, so check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good token or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button and become a member. And thanks to all the members who have already done so. Appreciate every one of you. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.